Hello and welcome to this short video on a Kupo Baby 5/8 inch drop-down adapter. The Baby drop-down consists of a Baby 5/8 inch receiver on one side of the central joint, a Baby pin with a knurled surface to prevent rotation on the other, and a knob on the central joint to prevent it from automatically adjusting to gravity's pull. The Baby drop-down uses gravity to maintain a vertical orientation of whatever is mounted to it regardless of the boom's angle that is supporting it. Slide the Baby 5/8 inch receiver of our grip head onto the Baby pin of our junior roller stand. Now slide the steel Baby boom's ear between the rear disc and the body of the grip head and tighten the big handle. Loosen the knob to extend the boom to the desired length and tighten to secure. Hang a bag on the hook for counterweight. Slide the Baby drop-down's receiver onto the Baby pin of the boom. Slide the ARRI 300's Baby receiver onto the Baby pin of the drop-down and secure in place. With the yoke facing up, angle the ARRI 300 where you'd like and lock it in place. Place a safety cable between the yoke of the Fresnel and secure it to the end of the boom with a convi clamp. Loosen the handle on the grip head and the knob that locks the boom in the collar and slide back and forth until properly balanced. Raise the boom to the desired height and lock in place. Now that we are properly balanced, I'll loosen the grip head holding the boom arm and change the angle. Notice how the ARRI 300 maintains its vertical orientation as I change the angle of the boom arm. If I lock the joint by tightening the knob, notice how the 300 now changes angle in sync with the boom. Now that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. When it comes to your image making dreams and your grip equipment, at Kupo we like to say, never let go.